Good morning, sir. I am Arvind. My topic is on quantum advantage in optimization, logistics, and supply chain and its applications. First of all, introduction to quantum advantage in optimization. The quantum computing offers the potential to solve complex optimization problems more efficiently than classical methods. Logistics and supply chain management are prime candidates for quantum enhanced optimization due to their complexity. This presentation explores how quantum advantage can transform these industries through innovative applications. First, quantum computing power. Quantum computer leverage qubits and quantum phenomena like superposition and entanglement to process vast amount of data and explore many possible solutions simultaneously. The quantum advantage are by applying quantum algorithms like quantum approximate optimization algorithms, these problems can be solved faster and uh, more efficient compared to traditional methods. Fundamentals of quantum computing. Quantum computers leverage qubits which can be exist in multiple states simultaneously, enabling parallel processing. The quantum algorithms such as Grover's and QAOA are designed to solve specific problems more efficiently. Quantum algorithms, the current state of hardware is emerging with ongoing research aimed at achieving practical quantum advantage. The Grover's algorithm helps in speeding up unstructured search problems, finding an item in an unsorted database faster than classical methods. The QAOA quantum, that is a quantum approximate optimization algorithm, focus on solving optimization problems such as route planning or scheduling, which are vital for logistics and supply chain management. The classical optimization challenges in logistics. The traditional algorithms often struggle with the combinatorial complexity of supply chain problems. Problems like vehicle routing and inventory management become computationally intensive as scale increase. These challenges create a need for more powerful computational approaches to enhance efficiency and decision making. Quantum optimization algorithms. The quantum approximate optimization algorithm is tailored for solving combinatorial problems. Variational quantum eigensolver can be adapted for specific optimization tasks within logistics. These algorithms aim to provide faster solutions or better approximates compared to classical counterparts. Logistics and supply chain applications. The algorithms can optimize vehicle routing, reducing delivery times and costs. Here, the quantum algorithms can optimize vehicle routing, reducing delivery times and costs like any goods. The inventory management can benefit from quantum solutions to balance supply and demand dynamically. Warehouse layout and resource allocation are also potential areas for quantum enhanced optimization. These are the logistics and supply chain applications for quantum. The case studies and pilot projects. Early pilots have demonstrated quantum approaches to the traveling salesman problem in simplified logistic scenarios. Some companies are exploring quantum annealing for supply chain network to design. Companies are exploring quantum annealing for supply chain network to design. Results indicate potential speedups and improved solutions, but large applications are still in development. This diagram shows how the pilot projects are transforming the advantages of quantum in logistics. We will see the advantages of quantum in logistics. Quantum computing can process vast solution spaces more efficiently than classical algorithms. It offers the potential for more optimal solutions in complex, multivariable problems. These advantages can lead to significant cost savings and improved services levels in supply chains. The advantages of the quantum logistics are to lead the significant cost savings and improved service levels in supply chains. Limitations and challenges. Quantum hardware remains uh, in development stages with issues like qubit stability and error rates. The scalability of quantum algorithms for real world logistics problems is still an ongoing challenge. Integration with existing classical systems requires new frameworks and hybrid approaches. Here in the quantum enter quantum, we will see the in picture quantum computing for the supply chain delivery new efficiency. The future outlook and research directions. Continued advancements in quantum hardware will improve the feasibility of practical applications. The hybrid algorithms combining classical and quantum um, methods are likely to become standard. Ongoing research aims to identify key logistics problems where quantum advantage can be most impactful. In we will see the conclusion and key takeaways. What is this? Quantum computing holds transformative potential for optimization in logistics and supply chains. Uh, these quantum computing has ability to redefine optimization in logistics and supply chains. It can enable more efficient route planning, resource allocation, and inventory management, leading to reduced costs, faster deliveries, and more silent global operations. While in next step, while promising, practical implementation depends on overcoming current hardware and algorithmic challenges. The current challenges are despite the potential quantum system are still in development. Issues like qubit instability, error rates, and scaling limitations must be resolved before widespread industrial use. Similarly, quantum need further refinement to integrate smoothly like existing logistics and enterprise systems. Embracing quantum approaches early can position organizations for a competitive advantage in the future. Organizations that adopt quantum inspired methods early or begin exploring quantum readiness will be better positioned when practical quantum computing becomes mainstream. Early investment in quantum research, partnerships, and workforce training can create a strong competitive edge in the coming decade. This is about the quantum conclusion and key takeaways of this. And thank you.